is Akanksha and welcome back to my channels. And before you think that this girl is crazy in wearing hoodie in this summer, guys, I'm in Bangalore. Bangalore mein thanda ho raha hai. So please don't judge me. In today's video, I'm going to talk about few immunity boosting and hygiene related products. So India Shopee was kind enough to send me few of their packages, few of their products related to immune and hygiene. And I've been using these products for quite some time and I have concluded few things about each of them. While the entire country is battling with the economical crisis, guys, it's really important to shop locally. Indian Shopee is a well-known brand that uses natural and Ayurvedic ingredients to make exceptionally superior products. And also Indian Shopee is a local brand which celebrates Shop Local initiative. So yeah, having said that, let's just jump into the video. Which is On and On 9E5 concentrated drink with natural antioxidants. This is how this looks. This comes with a huge box with a lot of sachets inside. It contains amla, noni, aloe vera and a unique combination of different berries like wild berry, strawberry, blackberry, raspberry, basically a lot of different berries. Today's stress, pollution, radiation, harmful pesticides, preservatives and additives in our food, lack of exercise and bad habits led to an unhealthy lifestyle and a compromised immune system. On and On 9E5 Premium Health Drink strengthen your immune system. Then your immune system fights with different bacteria, viruses, germs, etc. You can empty the entire content on one sachet in a glass full of clean water or juice, 150 ml to 200 ml, and stir it and drink it twice a day, but before meal, guys. You are supposed to have it, I think so, in an empty stomach. That's how it is supposed to work, I guess. So have it with chilled water. I have it with chilled water and it tastes really good. Moving on to product number 2, which is On and On enriched with Kesar Kavach Prash. So Chyawanprash ki guys मैं बचपन से fan हूँ, मतलब I like Chyawanprash. But after they sent me this, I am so in love with this, guys. This is very delicious, very tasty. And if you like Chyawanprash, then you definitely gonna like this. This is Kavach Prash from On and On. Kavach Prash, which translate to food shield, protects your body from everyday unseen enemies like microbes, stress, etc. that could harm your health as well. Anyone dealing with compromised immune system, it is a tonic you can always turn to. Filled with herbal compounds which are best known for promoting and enhancing the healthy functioning of a body, such as amla, bala, ashwagandha, etc. I usually take this product, guys, after milk क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि दूध से पहले लेने में मुझे दूध का flavor नहीं आएगा. This is one of my favorite product, guys, in this entire range. It's very good, very tasty, very delicious. I don't know how it's working on my body because obviously you can't see it. You just feel that no, something is getting better inside my body, how it functions and how it feels. So yeah, that's how I really love this product. Moving on to product number 3, which is Elements Wellness Immuno 3 Plus regulates digestion and excretion while enhancing immunity. This is also called as Nitya Rasayana Daily Rejuvenator. Some of the key ingredients of this products are amla, baheda, haritaki and mulethi. Regular consumption of this unique formula has multiple benefits like strengthening of the digestive system, building resistance to common ailments, improving eyesight as well as promotion of skin health. You can take this capsule twice a day, morning and 2 hours before going to bed. And this is supposed to be taken by people above 15 years of age, and also you are not supposed to take this in empty stomach. Moving on to product number 4, which is very important, guys, Elements Wellness Ayushwas for healthy respiratory function. This product is combination of a lot of different herbs like munakka and sirisa to strengthen lung tissues and provide anti-allergic activity. Kantakari and vasa expel phalgam and dilate the windpipe. Mulethi and daru haridra protection from infection, and chata mansi calms the mind. It is recommended for those who have breathing problem. Elements Wellness Ayushwas is safe as it does not contain any steroids and it made up of all natural ingredients. It can be taken by both children and adult. 1 to 2 tablespoons full morning and bedtime. Dissolve in a hot milk and hot water and sip like hot tea. You can also spread 1 to 2 tablespoons on bread and over biscuit and you can eat it like that. Again, guys, this is very yummy. Moving on to the last product guys, which is Elements Wellness Moisturizing Hand Wash Premium with natural moisturizers, rose and glycerine. This product has a lot of different ingredients like rose extracts, oat amino acid and glycerine. So the only drawback I felt with this is it does not come with that pump. Obviously you have to take it like this, you have to squeeze it like this and then you have to use it. अभी हमारी आदत हो चुकी है उस तरह के पंप को यूज करने की, so definitely I'm going to transfer it in one hand wash का empty डिब्बा and then I'm going to use it. You guys know I'm a Sahara Desert, so जो भी product होता है which claims कि वो moisture retain करता है skin में, I usually tend to love those products and I usually feel like trying it. So yes guys, this is a very nice product. That's about it for the today's video guys. मैं सारे products के link description box में mention कर दूँगी. You can go and check it out. And yeah, that's about it guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on social media. My profile would be linked below in the description box. Do go and check it out. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.